Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I want to share with you how you can get the app drawer enabled on your brand new LG Xpression Plus 3. So if you got this device, you probably are noticing that all your apps are right there on the home screen. And some of you might like this. You might like the way it looks with all the apps on the home screen, but I know a lot of people out there are used to having an app drawer on your devices. So when you swipe up, you can get into the app drawer, or there's like a little button you press right there, gets you into the app drawer. So let me go ahead and share with you how you can get the app drawer enabled on the Xpression Plus 3. So first thing what you want to do is go into settings. Now, if your device is looking like mine, it's going to be in the Essentials folder there. So go ahead and click on Essentials, and then you're going to see the option for Settings. Click on Settings. Now, once you do that, you want to go ahead and locate Display. So once you see Display, click on that, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Home Screen up on top. So do that, and then go ahead and choose Select Home. And right here, you are going to be able to see the option for the home and app drawer. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then you have a couple options here. You can either have the app drawer icon shown, or you can have that disabled. It's entirely up to you. I'll go ahead and choose the app drawer icon. And once you choose home and app drawer, either the app drawer icon or not, go ahead and click on OK. And give it about a couple seconds, and now you will have the app drawer on your LG Xpression Plus 3. You can go ahead and swipe up, and that is going to get you into the app drawer now. Go ahead and swipe down to get out. You even have this little icon here. Once you click on that, that will get you into the app drawer, and then you can just swipe down. So that's basically it. That's how you can get the app drawer now on your LG Xpression Plus 3 for AT&T. If you found this video helpful, informative any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button. And please subscribe to the channel for more future videos just like this. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.